Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or taking a break, thank you for choosing to learn English with us.
Today, we're going to explore one of the most important concepts in English grammar, the main verb.
Understanding main verbs is absolutely essential for making correct sentences in English.
Many learners get confused about what a main verb is and how it works.
But don't worry, we're going to explain everything in the simplest, clearest way possible.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly what a main verb is and how to use it.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English naturally, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And we want to give a special shout out to @AmanBai for this videos and learning with us.
Thank you so much, @AmanBai. We're so happy to have you in our English the Natural Way learning community.
All right, let's get started.
So first, what exactly is a main verb?
The main verb is the most important verb in a sentence.
It's the verb that shows the main action or state.
Think of it as the heart of the sentence. It tells you what's happening.
Every complete sentence in English must have a main verb.
Without a main verb, you don't have a complete sentence.
Let's start with the basics.
There are two types of main verbs, action verbs and state verbs.
Action main verbs show what someone or something does.
I run every morning. Run is the main verb. It shows the action.
She eats breakfast at 8. Eats is the main verb, the action.
They play football on weekends. Play is the main verb.
More examples of action main verbs.
I work at a hospital. Main verb, work.
She studies English every day. Main verb, studies.
We watch movies on Friday nights. Main verb, watch.
He drives to work. Main verb, drives.
They cook dinner together. Main verb, cook. All of these show actions, things people do.
Now let's look at state main verbs.
State main verbs show states, feelings, or conditions.
I am a teacher. Am is the main verb. It shows a state of being.
She loves chocolate. Loves is the main verb. It shows a feeling.
They know the answer. Know is the main verb. It shows a mental state.
More examples of state main verbs.
I like pizza. Main verb, like, feeling.
He is tall. Main verb, is, state of being. We have a car. Main verb, have, possession.
She believes in hard work. Main verb, believes, mental state.
They own a house. Main verb, own, possession. All of these show states, feelings, or conditions, not physical actions.
Now here's something important. Main verbs can stand alone.
A main verb doesn't need any other verb to complete its meaning.
Look at these simple sentences.
I sleep. Sleep is the main verb, and it stands alone.
She laughed. Laughed is the main verb, standing alone.
They arrived. Arrived is the main verb, complete by itself.
These are complete sentences with just the main verb.
Now let's talk about how main verbs change.
Main verbs change their form depending on the subject and tense.
For present tense with he, she, or it, we usually add s or es.
I work, but she works. The main verb changes.
I go, but he goes. The main verb changes.
For past tense, most main verbs add ed.
I walked becomes I walked. The main verb changes to past.
She plays becomes she played, past tense.
But many main verbs are irregular.
I go becomes I went, irregular past.
She eats becomes she ate, irregular past. They are becomes they were, irregular past. Main verbs change form, but they're still the main action or state. Now let's talk about main verbs with helping verbs.
This is where it gets interesting.
Sometimes main verbs need helping verbs to show tense or meaning.
The main verb is still the main action, but it has a helper.
Look at this sentence. I am eating dinner.
Eating is the main verb, the main action.
Am is the helping verb. It helps show continuous action.
Another example, she has finished her work.
Finished is the main verb, the main action.
Has is the helping verb. It helps show completed action.
More examples with helping verbs. I will go tomorrow. Main verb, go. Helping verb, will.
They are studying now. Main verb, studying. Helping verb, are.
He has been working all day. Main verb, working. Helping verbs, has been.
We can swim. Main verb, swim. Helping verb, can.
She should sleep early. Main verb, sleep. Helping verb, should. The main verb always shows the main action or state.
Even with helping verbs, you can identify the main verb.
Just ask yourself, what's the main action or state in this sentence?
That's your main verb.
Let's practice identifying main verbs.
I play tennis every week. What's the main verb?
Play, that's the main action.
She is a doctor. What's the main verb?
Is, that's the main state of being.
They have been waiting for an hour. What's the main verb?
Waiting, that's the main action.
He can speak 3 languages. What's the main verb?
Speak, that's the main action.
We will arrive at noon. What's the main verb?
Arrive, that's the main action.
See how easy it is once you know what to look for?
Now let's talk about main verbs in different tenses.
The main verb changes form for different tenses.
Present simple, I walk to school.
Main verb, walk, base form.
Past simple, I walked to school.
Main verb, walked, past form.
Present continuous, I am walking to school.
Main verb, walking, with helping verb, am.
Present perfect, I have walked to school.
Main verb, walked, with helping verb, have.
Future, I will walk to school.
Main verb, walk, with helping verb, will.
The main verb is always there, showing the main action.
Now let's talk about negative sentences.
In negative sentences, the main verb stays the same.
We add do not or does not, but the main verb doesn't change.
Positive, I like coffee. Main verb, like.
Negative, I do not like coffee. Main verb, like, still the same.
Positive, she works here. Main verb, works.
Negative, she does not work here. Main verb, work, back to base form.
More examples.
I did not go yesterday. Main verb, go.
They do not understand. Main verb, understand.
He does not eat meat. Main verb, eat.
The main verb shows the action, even in negatives.
Now let's talk about questions.
In questions, we also keep the main verb.
The main verb usually comes after the subject.
Statement, you like pizza. Main verb, like.
Question, do you like pizza? Main verb, like, same.
Statement, she speaks English. Main verb, speaks.
Question, does she speak English? Main verb, speak, base form.
More examples.
Did you eat breakfast? Main verb, eat.
Do they live here? Main verb, live.
Does he work on Saturdays? Main verb, work.
The main verb is always there, showing the action.
Now let's look at common main verbs you use every day.
Most common action main verbs.
Go, I go to school, she goes shopping.
Come here. He comes from Spain.
Make, I make breakfast, she makes mistakes.
Do, I do my homework. They do yoga.
Get, I get up early, she gets good grades.
Take, I take the bus. He takes photos.
See, I see you, she sees the problem.
Give, I give gifts. He gives advice.
Work, I work hard, she works at home.
Say, I say yes. He says hello.
Most common state main verbs.
Be, I am happy. She is tired.
Have, I have a dog, they have time.
Know, I know the answer. She knows him.
Think, I think so. He thinks about it.
Want, I want coffee. She wants help.
Like, I like music, they like sports.
Love, I love you. He loves reading.
Need, I need sleep, she needs a break.
Believe, I believe you. They believe in peace.
These are the main verbs you'll use most often.
Now let's practice with a real conversation using main verbs.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am great, thanks. I slept well last night. What about you?
I feel tired. I worked late yesterday.
Oh no, what time did you finish?
I finished at midnight. I had a big project.
That sounds exhausting. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. I need caffeine.
I will make you a cup. Do you take sugar?
No thanks. I prefer it black. You're so kind.
No problem. I understand how you feel. I experienced the same thing last week.
Did you identify all the main verbs?
Let's go through them.
I am great. Main verb, am.
I slept well. Main verb, slept.
I feel tired. Main verb, feel.
I worked late. Main verb, worked.
I finished at midnight. Main verb, finished.
I had a project. Main verb, had.
Do you want coffee? Main verb, want.
I need caffeine. Main verb, need.
I will make you a cup. Main verb, make.
Do you take sugar? Main verb, take.
I prefer it black. Main verb, prefer.
You are so kind. Main verb, are.
I understand. Main verb, understand.
I experienced. Main verb, experienced.
Every sentence has a main verb.
Now let's talk about why main verbs are so important.
Reason 1, main verbs give meaning to sentences.
Without the main verb, you don't know what's happening.
I to the store. Missing main verb. What did you do?
I went to the store. Now we know the action.
Reason 2. Main verbs show time through tense.
The main verb changes to show when something happens.
I eat, now. I ate, past. I will eat, future.
The main verb carries the time information.
Reason 3. Main verbs agree with the subject.
The main verb changes to match the subject.
I am, she is, they are. The main verb agrees.
This agreement is essential in English.
Here's a simple way to always find the main verb.
Step 1. Ask, what's happening in this sentence? Or, what's the main action or state?
Step 2. Find the word that answers that question.
That's your main verb.
Example. She has been studying for 3 hours.
What's happening? Studying. That's the main verb.
Example. They will arrive tomorrow.
What's happening? Arrive. That's the main verb. Easy.
Let's practice more with identifying main verbs in different sentence types.
Complex sentences with multiple clauses.
I know that she works at the hospital. Main verbs, know and works.
He said that he finished the project. Main verbs, said and finished.
We believe that they will arrive soon. Main verbs, believe and arrive.
Each clause has its own main verb.
Sentences with phrasal verbs.
What's a phrasal verb? It's a verb plus a particle, like give up or look after.
I gave up smoking. Main verb, gave up. The whole phrase.
She looks after her grandmother. Main verb, looks after.
They turned down the offer. Main verb, turned down.
Phrasal verbs act as one main verb.
Sentences with linking verbs.
She became a doctor. Main verb, became. Linking verb.
The soup tastes delicious. Main verb, tastes. Linking verb.
He seems happy. Main verb, seems. Linking verb.
The flowers smell wonderful. Main verb, smell. Linking verb.
These connect the subject to a description.
Let's practice with longer, more complex examples.
After I finished my homework, I watched TV for an hour.
Main verbs, finished and watched.
If she studies hard, she will pass the exam easily.
Main verbs, studies and pass.
Because he was tired, he went to bed early last night.
Main verbs, was and went.
While we were eating dinner, the phone rang 3 times.
Main verbs, eating and rang.
Multiple main verbs in one sentence are normal.
Quick quiz time. Can you identify the main verbs?
Sentence 1. I enjoy reading books before bed.
Main verb, enjoy. Reading is part of the object, not the main verb.
Sentence 2. They decided to leave early.
Main verb, decided. To leave is the infinitive, not the main verb.
Sentence 3. She keeps forgetting her keys.
Main verb, keeps. Forgetting is the complement.
See how the main verb is the first action word?
One more important point about main verbs.
Main verbs can express different meanings.
Physical actions, run, jump, eat, sleep, write.
Mental actions, think, believe, know, understand, remember.
Communication actions, say, tell, speak, talk, ask.
States of being, be, become, seem, appear, remain.
Possession, have, own, possess, belong.
All of these can be main verbs.
Memory tricks to understand main verbs.
Think of the main verb as the engine of the sentence.
Without the engine, the sentence doesn't go anywhere.
The main verb powers the sentence.
Another trick, the main verb answers what's happening or what is it?
Practice asking these questions.
And here's your challenge for the week.
In every sentence you read or hear, identify the main verb.
Ask yourself, what's the main action or state here?
This practice will make you really understand sentence structure.
You'll start to see main verbs everywhere.
And you'll understand English grammar much better.
Important tip, sometimes there are multiple verbs in a sentence.
I want to eat, but I need to work.
Main verbs, want, eat, need, work. 4 main verbs.
Each clause has its own main verb.
Don't be confused, just identify the action in each part.
Now you have a complete understanding of main verbs.
Main verbs show the main action or state.
They can stand alone or work with helping verbs.
They change form for different tenses and subjects.
They're essential for every sentence.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear, simple English lessons.
Leave a comment with a sentence and identify your main verb.
We love seeing you practice.
Remember, every sentence needs a main verb.
Understanding this will improve your English so much.
Keep practicing, keep identifying main verbs.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.